U.S.A. the country where many people want to live and work with its technological superiority, innovation capacity, and strong economic conditions. Some occupations pay more than others in this nation, which has more sectors than the rest of the globe. These are obviously not the types of occupations that everyone is capable of handling. In this video, we will list the 10 highest paying occupations in the USA. Number 10. Sheath Executives. Outside of the medical and dentistry sectors, chief executives are the group of people with the highest salaries. The CEO's duties include leading the firm into new markets or product lines, interacting with the board of directors, and making important choices about the management team. Many chief executives have demanding schedules while being highly paid. According to a Harvard Business Review poll, the typical CEO works 63 hours a week, spending roughly half of that time at the office and the other half traveling. CEOs earn an average salary of $213,000 a year. Number 9. Family medicine physicians. Patients often see family medicine doctors, commonly referred to as primary care physicians, for routine checkups and the treatment of common diseases like sinus and respiratory infections, as well as chronic conditions like diabetes, asthma, and heart disease. Some family physicians specialize in treating adults or children. Family physicians are those who care for patients of all ages, from infants to the elderly. Family practice doctors often handle a greater range of medical ailments due to their diverse patient demographic. The average annual income of family medicine physicians is $235,000. Number 8. Internal medicine physicians. Internists specialize in treating adult patients and frequently work as primary care physicians or hospitalists. As with other general practitioners, internists who work in primary care settings treat a wide range of illnesses, from high cholesterol and hypertension to asthma and diabetes. Quick decision-making abilities are essential due to visits frequently lasting 15 or 30 minutes. And while doing all this, they earn an average of $242,000 a year. Number 7. Psychiatrists. While all psychiatrists work to treat mental health conditions, there are several different subfields within the practice. For instance, some specialize in child and adolescent psychiatry, while others focus on forensic, addiction, or consultation psychiatry, which takes place in a hospital environment. Others focus on psychoanalysis, where the psychiatrist aids the patient in recalling and examining earlier experiences and emotions in order to more fully comprehend their present emotions. Psychiatrists serve in a variety of settings, including private practice, hospitals, community organizations, schools, treatment centers, and even jails. People in this profession earn an average of $250,000 a year. Number 6. Physicians. They would rank 6th if you took the mean salary of all doctors practicing in all other disciplines. Allergists, cardiologists, dermatologists, oncologists, gastroenterologists, and ophthalmologists are just a few of the professions that fall under the category of other. It also includes radiologists, who examine medical pictures and give radiation therapy to cancer patients, and pathologists, who examine bodily tissue for any anomalies. The average annual salary of doctors in this category is around $255,000. Number 5. Orthodontists. Orthodontists are specialists in dental correction techniques and are frequently recommended by patients' dentists. These medical professionals regularly take X-rays, put braces on, make mouth guards, and carry out other operations as necessary. Since they deal directly with patients, high-achieving orthodontists need to be skilled communicators as well as great analysts and problem solvers. Some people operate their own practice, which calls for good management abilities, while others work for major orthodontic clinics. Orthodontists earn around $270,000 per year. Number 4. Surgeons. Although it takes years of specialized training to become a surgeon, these exceptional doctors are rewarded with one of the highest paying professions. Depending on their specialty, surgeons could work a lot of erratic hours. While surgeons who focus on routine and elective procedures may have a more regular schedule, those who specialize in trauma or neurosurgery sometimes work long hours, sometimes even overnight. Surgeons undertake procedures to address conditions including cancer and shattered bones. Surgeons oversee the patient's postoperative and preoperative treatment. A surgeon may need to speak with the patient on the phone even though they are not scheduled to do so, and on-call surgeons may need to visit a hospital in an emergency. The average annual income of surgeons is around $297,000. Number 3. Obstetricians Gynecologists. Obstetricians gynecologists, often known as OBGYNs, are medical professionals with a focus on reproductive health and childbirth, and their yearly salaries are only somewhat higher than those for general surgeons. Successful OBGYNs are skilled in imparting knowledge to patients that enhances both their and their unborn children's health. They also do very well in high-stress circumstances, most notably childbirth, which might happen at unusual times of the day. People in this occupational group earn about $300,000 a year. Number 2. Oral and maxillofacial surgeons. In and around the mouth and jaw, oral and maxillofacial surgeons treat a variety of illnesses, wounds, and deformities. Problematic wisdom teeth, misaligned jaws, tumors, and cysts of the jaw and mouth are some of the most frequent issues they're likely to handle. Additionally, they could operate on dental implants. The annual income of these surgeons is around $312,000. Number 1. Anesthesiologists. A physician who administers anesthetics and analgesics for pain control before, during, or after surgery is referred to as an anesthesiologist. The highest paying occupation is this extremely specialized one, according to a recent ranking. Anesthesiologists work according to the operating room's timetable, which might be lengthy and unreliable. This is due to the fact that anesthesiologists are required for both routine operations and emergency treatments, such as delivery and traumatic occurrences. Anesthesiologists, who are at the top of the highest paid profession group, earn an average of $335,000 per year. The vocations with the greatest salary were those in the field of medicine. Even though these occupations provide high annual wages, not everyone is suited for them. Because the health sector has a high difficulty capacity and demands considerable training. What do you think of these salaries? If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next videos.